Okay, Ryan.
Hello, Emma.
I want to do a fun one. Want to do a fun one?
Let's do a fun one.
Let's do a fun one.
What are we talking about?
I want to know why, of all the fields a lawyer can get into, you picked this one. And we know it was just to meet me. Obviously. But why advertising law?
It always changes. It's different. I mean, you walk into the office at the beginning of the day thinking you're going to be doing one thing, and then at 4 p.m. your client gets served with an FTC asset freeze, or I don't know, you get something new every day. It's like so much in law, like people practice a certain area and it's just the same thing over and over again. And so you're constantly learning. It's never dry. The clients are entertaining.
So you're growth minded.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
It's fun.
I mean, I know that you like to learn, but I just assumed it was because of your job. Like, I didn't know that you would literally seek out a profession. Because wills, estates,
you're kind of dry.
Trusts. They're a lot of money, though.
Oh,
they're lucrative.
They're lucrative. It's just not.
And easy.
I don't know.
You're not working weekends.
We are definitely working weekends.
I know.
And it's fun because it's fast.
You chose the hard road.
I did. It's fun, though.
Yeah.
Wife and kids don't necessarily like it, but no, I mean, I went to law school. I thought I was going to be, I like solving problems, which is part of it.
And we are problem solvers in this industry, for sure.
I thought I was going to go do appellate litigation.
Really?
Like in law school, I was externing and doing clerkship work for a public interest law firm doing, First Amendment litigation. I guess that's ultimately coming full circle. I am a First Amendment lawyer because I'm an advertising lawyer. So I guess I ultimately landed where I was supposed to be.
Interesting.
But,
You're right. It's kind of like me being Asian. It's one of those fun little facts.
Yes. Not going to bite on that one.
Nah. You already lost.
Yep. No, but I like my job. It's fun.
Yeah.
Most days.
So you found yourself at Gordon Reese 6, 7, 8 years ago? 8 years ago?
Oh my gosh. 6, 7 years ago? 6 years ago?
Wouldn't it have been 2017?
19.
19? Oh, yeah. 19 is when I started Shockwave, and I met you
at
Nate Lynn's event.
Yeah, Ecom Empires.
Ecom Legends.
The Legends.
In Fort Worth. You accompanied Damon, right? Damon and I had known each other for a couple of years. I think I met Damon in 2017, and you 2 years later in 2019. Wow, we've only known each other 6 years. That's wild to me.
Feels a lot longer.
I feel like we've known each other 20 years.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was my introduction to direct response marketing.
Nateland's event.
Yep.
That was the first?
First direct response.
Oh my goodness. I don't know that I would have had that be your first.
I mean, it was fascinating.
Yeah, but Nate's events were super interesting. I wish he still had them sometimes.
Well, that was the first mastermind I ever went to.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, it was the first industry event.
Yeah.
So Nate's events, for those of you that don't know, are super interesting because there's no agenda, there's no speakers.
Oh, it's fantastic.
You show up, and then the people there kind of define what's going to be talked about based upon what they want to learn and who's in the room. It's very interesting. Like different people take tables, basically.
It's kind of like the Wednesday driven calls. Right. There's kind of like a general topic, but then everything kind of meanders into, I mean, it's like the open Q&A, right?
Right.
And people are giving constant feedback. And that was kind of
I don't know that I'd compare driven to that, but just because
the Wednesday calls, not the,
right. No, I understand. But the Wednesday calls definitely have an agenda to them. There is zero, you have no idea what you're walking into.
No.
None whatsoever. And so you don't know who the experts are going to be, what the topics are going to be, or if you're going to turn into an expert and have to present. Like, that happens.
Well, that happened to Damon.
That happened to me.
Yeah.
And so...
And Shane from Zito. Yeah. He ended up doing one. Yeah.
Right. And half the people in the room, really, because everybody in the room can teach something. And so it's just like, what is everybody interested in learning about right now? That was a super fun event. I miss those events because they're easy. You don't have to plan. Like, you can't plan.
No.
It's not capable to plan for them. You just kind of show up. Anyway, so that's how we met. Tell me more about your journey. So you were an associate at Gordon Reese in 2019. You're now a partner.
I am.
Tell me about your journey. Like, let people know who you are.
I came from a litigation firm doing some consumer protection regulatory issues, and then I interviewed at Gordon Rees and met Damon, and we were quick friends, and he brought me into the ad law direct response space. I think I'd been at Gordon Rees 2 months, and we got our first FTC case, and I was just glued to it.
Right.
Damon and I were and it was also right before COVID. And so we're doing all this FTC work, and then the entire office just shuts down. So Damon and I were just alone at the office.
Right.
I remember him saying, he's like, you're not allowed to come in. And I was like, I can't, dude, we're on the phone every single day. Like, I can't do this. My mental health is not going to survive. I'm coming in the office because, like, we just can't do this.
And you didn't have the second kid yet. COVID got you the second kid.
That's true.
People ended up divorced or with another child. Ryan ended up with another child.
And a dog.
And 2 dogs, right?
Well, I already had that one.
Now? Okay. God. Wow.
No, but it's...
So much has changed.
It has. It has. But the FTC litigation, as much as I wish that on anyone. I mean,
you find those fun.
I mean, they're...
You don't want your clients to get hit with them, but you find those so interesting and so fun.
Well, because you're going up against the government.
Of course.
One of my other colleagues that I work with, Steve Freeland, I mean, he's like, everybody deserves a defense. And, the government is coming in, typically they're exercising the most expansive powers that they possibly can. They're taking your home. They're saying that you're a bad person. You're defrauding consumers just because they're saying it. And just because they're saying it doesn't make it true. And
the funny thing is, we both know people who deserve that.
Oh, totally.
They never freaking get it. It's always like the good guy who was trying to be a decent human being and like didn't understand one little nuance, or some marketing person did something stupid that they didn't realize because they had just gotten too big. It blows my mind.
But
it's like cancer.
Yeah, but even
it's a lottery.
But even those people that should be dinged and they don't
deserve a defense, according to you.
Absolutely. Like, the government can't just come in and take your money and call you a bad person, by fiat. Like, they actually need to stand up in court and prove it. And they can't take these rules and manipulate them into something that they're alleging that you do, right?
Which is crazy to me, because if they just stuck to the people who are actually robbing from old ladies, they'd have plenty of work on their hands. They don't need to go do this to reasonable, honest business people. Blows my mind. Anyway, back to Ryan, because we could debate on that all day. So you get to Gordon Rees, you go through, you make partner. 3 years ago?
That was 22, January of 22.
Yeah, so 3 years ago.
And it feels like yesterday.
Crazy.
Hey, everyone. Interrupting this podcast to remind everybody to like and subscribe our podcast and to sign up for the Visionary Vault at
www.specialopspodcast.com for a whole bunch of freebies.
It feels like yesterday.
I mean, it feels like yesterday. Do you remember the party we were at in Vegas?
Yeah, when I found out and I accidentally told you, and I was like, oh.
I wasn't going to go there. I don't think you can tell that.
I mean, it's at this point.
Okay, but perfect. I love that story.
No, I remember, I was like, yeah, I found out it's going to happen.
You told me all about it, and then we had a few drinks, and the next day I walked up to you and I was like, so Ryan, oh my God, you're going to be partner soon. I have never seen you be that aggressive. Ever. Like, you stepped towards me like you were going to hurt me. I literally, like, my heart went in my throat a little bit. Like, what did I do? You're like, how do you know that? Were you there last night?
Yeah, we definitely had a couple, and I had no recollection of telling you that, but definitely did.
Yeah, that's okay. I kept my mouth shut.
Did. Yeah. No, because we were like amongst colleagues and it wasn't public yet.
As a matter of fact, every time I've known something that I wasn't supposed to know, you're the one that opened your mouth and told people that I knew instead of me. I never do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway.
Good friend.
Mostly. So you have a wife, Natalie. She's an attorney as well.
She's an attorney. So 2 attorneys under one household.
I would love to see your fights.
Oh, she wins.
Of course she wins.
I mean, she'll get into like depot mode and she's like this, and this. And like, I mean, to break the tension, I'll just be like, objection. Vague, ambiguous.
Do you really do that?
Asked and answered.
I would throw a can of peas at you.
Well, no, I mean, because it breaks
I
the
would go buy peas at the store just to have it to throw at you.
well, it just instantly breaks the tension because she gets a little,
Laugh.
she's like, but you said this and then this and this. And you can see how she's like building this
She's
thing up for like
attorneying. She's attorneying.
Yeah. And I'm like, okay, I see what you're doing.
I
Okay.
ain't Amber Heard, honey. Calm down. And so you have 2 sons.
2 sons.
How old are they?
Avery and Hayden. Avery is 6.5 and Hayden is 4.
Wow, Hayden is 4.
He's almost as tall as Avery at this point.
Dude, that's crazy.
I mean, they wear their same size pants. I mean, he's just going to be they're both going to be beasts, but Hayden is just.
Yeah, you're a big guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My dad's tall.
Yeah.
So
you're originally from Houston.
Houston originally. Dad's in telecom.
And now you're in?
Now we are in Virginia. I mean, I used to have a Texas accent. I used to have a really thick Texas accent.
Did you really?
Oh, but then we moved to New Jersey. And
Ew.
I mean, there are parts of New Jersey I like. I learned to play lacrosse.
Well, no,
That's how I played lacrosse in college.
Well, lacrosse is great. New Jersey is great, but the New Jersey, New York, Boston accent, all of those are terrible. You just sound dumb.
Oh, well, there's a reason I don't have an accent anymore. Oh, can you imagine being in like 3rd grade, landing with this like Texas accent? And
Howdy, y'all.
yeah. I
And
mean,
it's Houston, too. So Houston's like dirty.
It's got like a twang to it.
Yeah, it's got a dirty twang to it.
Yeah. And so there's a reason I have no accent whatsoever.
Yeah, you can't.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Mine comes out when I'm tired. And I get really tired or really angry. That Boston will come out for sure.
I have a couple drinks, the Texas starts to come out a little bit.
Do you remember when we were pacing and had martinis for breakfast?
Pacing.
The very last, that was so great. The very last TNC that we attended, we were...
Yeah, we met Perry while we were there.
We were on our way to meet with Perry, and we had stopped for breakfast with 2 other attorneys. The stupid one that got you locked out.
Oh,
And Julia. And we decided to pace, and everybody was shocked that our pacing meant martinis. Because it could have been shots. And then we met Perry after.
I mean, breakfast was like midday of the 11.
It was 11. That's not really midday. Mid-morning,
Wasn't
late
it
morning.
East Coast.
Right, we were in San Diego, so technically...
DC time.
In DC time, okay.
DC time.
We've had a lot of fun over
We have.
the years. And
We've helped a lot of people.
And we've
I would
helped
like
a
to
lot of
think.
people. You've helped a lot of people. You've done a lot. What is this thing that you hold on to that you're really proud of that you've done?
Really proud of. I was working for a large brand that everybody would know of, and I was on the phone with their CMO. And we're going through all their ad claim substantiation, and I think I was a senior counsel at the time. It was like right before I made partner, and the CMO and I had some higher ups on the phone, and it was just like, you should have been a copywriter. Because we were going through and we were like massaging all these claims to where like it was saying exactly what they wanted to say, just like mitigating all that risk. I was like, okay. I mean, that's not really like an accomplishment or anything like that, but
No,
that was
that's
like
a proud moment.
Yeah, it was like, okay.
I've gotten so
like-
good in my industry that I can wear the hat of someone else to help them find
Yeah.
the legal
Yeah.
loophole.
Because and it's not even just loopholes. Like there's so rarely do we ever say, you can't say that. I mean, there are,
You tell me that all the time.
I mean, like I'll just be like, no. No. But I mean, most of the time unless it's going to end you in handcuffs or just stealing people's money.
There's a way to do it.
There's a way to do it. And that's the fun part about what we do.
Right. Is finding the way
Yeah.
to do it compliantly. Awesome.
It's fun. Plus, we've built like a really good team. We've built a really good team at Gordon Reese. And, liking the clients that you work with and the people you work with is incredibly helpful.
Dude, it's
We spend more
crazy.
time with them than
Anybody else than your spouse, really. It's true.
Yeah.
And because your spouse is just sleeping half of the time that you spend with them. And think about the other half, it's less than the time you spend working in your lifetime. So it's crazy how liking the people that you work with changes the dynamic so much.
because it's not a job as much. It's like, well, at least I'm excited to go see the people I'm going to be with all day.
Dude, my team now, I don't know, like, I'm just so lucky this whole shift happened. And I got rid of everything that wasn't serving me anymore, including people. And like our team now is like, I can count on them, and I know I can count on them. And there's such a peace in that. Peace. There's such a peace in that. It's so great. Thank you. I wanted to just do this so that, everybody knows me. Because,
You're Emma.
Right.
Emma.
That's why.
The Emma.
That's why.
The
But no, people who have been watching the show know who I am. But I wanted to take a minute just so that they'd get to know who you are. And I love doing this with you. It's been awesome. We started this off as like a let's see what happens. And
it's fun.
It's turned into like...
It's been a really good time.
It really is. So thank you.
No, thank you.
All right. So this was a non-episode of Marketing on Trial, just because I wanted everybody to get to know Ryan a little bit. We don't have anything free to give to you today, because we didn't really talk about anything legal. We just talked about Ryan. I wanted you to get to know him, but we have tons of resources in our Visionary Vault. That's at www.specialopspodcast.com. If you're not already signed up for it, sign up for it. We have loads of stuff in there. Ryan charges a lot of money. Don't buy him a Porsche. Go and look at all the free stuff that we've compiled. But should the FTC come calling, buy him a Porsche. He's the guy you want. His team is the team you want. They've been my team for all 6 years of Shockwave.
That's awesome.
Yeah, all 6 years, like from the moment we incepted to now. They're the people I run to when I need help for clients or for myself. So super happy to have done this.
Likewise.
Hi.
Thank you, Emma.